I grew up in Iowa in a small town, and so one of the manufacturing companies there, I've always known of them kind of throughout my childhood.
Raahi is an FMA student member and a 2-time Spark Force Scholarship recipient. This is her journey to a career in manufacturing.
Currently, I'm studying industrial engineering at the University of Illinois. I landed an internship in manufacturing and kind of fell in love with it. I've been kind of trying a lot of different things out within the industry of industrial engineering, which brought me to a more of a manufacturing focus.
Through her internship, Raahi was able to gain so much hands-on experience.
I like the fact that I'm not sitting at a desk every day. There's so much human interaction and there's so many new things to see. This experience has really changed the trajectory of my career. The scholarship helped me greatly in terms of relieving some of that financial stress and allowing me to explore more opportunities on campus. A few of them I was actually able to find through the FMA student membership. It really does help further your interests even more and open you up and expose you to a community that you might not have access to otherwise.
Raahi is just one amazing example of a driven student working towards a career in manufacturing. Like Raahi, the members of FMA are doing some incredible things in the field of manufacturing. For more stories just like this, stay tuned.